This is the USB 3.0 B male solder connector. The USB 3.0 B male SuperSpeed solder connector is a great way to repair or make custom USB cable. The connector features a 15U gold-plated brass contacts. Plus, the gold plating resists rust and provides superior electrical conductivity. The USB solder connectors will provide dependable data transmissions for years to come.
For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.